Hello folks, welcome to the channel. You might be wondering what it is we do here, and what we do is this: we fix stuff. Sometimes we fix stuff like old Red here, which really doesn't need that much fixing. Okay, that's a lie. It often needs that much fixing. And we go to yard sales and we buy things like this generator. It was marked $75. Let's get around here and look at the tag. $75. If I can smooth that out, no idea. It says no idea. That's my kind of thing. And we got a rototiller here that's deceased. We've got a couple of weed eaters. I already fixed them, but they were kind of boring. Numerous projects in the back. So I go to yard sales and I pick up projects and I fix them. There's a wheel horse. We'll be working on that sometime soon. And when I say I've got projects, I don't mean one project or two projects or a project here and a project there. I mean projects. Come around back, I'll show you what I mean. So I've got me a little shed I work in back here. It's not very big. About one mower, so it fits in it, at least a riding lawnmower. But we don't just fix riding lawnmowers. Sometimes we work on CB radios. Sometimes we work on battery chargers. Sometimes we work on welders. We work on about everything. When I say projects, I mean projects. They're everywhere. The place is overrun with projects. And this is the workshop. In here, oh, more projects. In here is where all the tools and the shelves and the things are that we work on stuff with. And that's what I do. And that's really all I do. So I hope you'll join me. Usually every week, but we'll see. To see what project we've got going on today. Thanks for watching.